Palworld Intro Tutorial. Unleash your inner tamer with Filmora. Hey Pal Tamers! Have you ever envisioned your name blazing across the screen before embarking on the thrilling journey into the wild world of Palworld? Well, envision no more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the creation of an epic intro video using Filmora's game templates, sure to ignite envy among your fellow tamers. First and foremost, gather your gameplay footage, screenshots, music selections, and sound effects. Consider recording your own sound bites while playing. Determine the overall atmosphere of your intro. Will it be action-packed, suspenseful, or light-hearted? This decision will shape your music and editing choices. Sketch out a visual sequence of your intro to map out the flow and transitions. Import your media files into Filmora 13 and arrange them in the timeline according to your storyboard or desired sequence. Incorporate a background image or video to establish the scene for your intro. You can utilize Filmora's built-in assets or import your own. Now it's time to unleash your inner editor with dynamic cuts and transitions. Utilize Filmora 13's trimming and cutting tools to craft concise, impactful transitions between clips. Experiment with transitions such as zoom out, geometric blur, split screen, or Ken burns to infuse your video with energy and movement. Enhance your intro with captivating visuals. Utilize Filmora 13's text editing tools to introduce titles, captions, and overlays. Opt for bold fonts and colors that complement your background and music. Prepare for sound design immersion. Layer sound effects from Filmora 13's library or your recordings atop your music to create an immersive auditory experience. Now let's showcase your taming prowess. Seamlessly integrate your gameplay footage, employing well-timed cuts, slow-motion replays, and time-lapses to highlight your taming skills and discoveries. Infuse your unique style by incorporating funny sound effects, light-hearted music choices, or even green screening yourself into the game world using Filmora 13's chroma key feature. No video is complete without a musical touch. Dive into Filmora 13's music library and select tracks that align with the mood and pace of your intro. Whether you opt for upbeat tracks for action, suspenseful scores for drama, or humorous tunes for lighthearted moments, the choice is yours. Adjust the volume and timing of your music and sound effects using Filmora 13's audio editing tools to ensure they blend seamlessly and evoke the desired atmosphere. Now it's time to polish your creation. Utilize Filmora 13's color grading tools to fine-tune the brightness, contrast, or saturation of your clips to match Palworld's vibrant aesthetic, or craft your own unique style. No need for intricate animations. Select a bold font, incorporate a striking background image, and perhaps add a subtle animation like flying text or text pop-ups using Filmora 13's text editing tools. Lastly, export and share. Export your finished intro in your preferred format and resolution. Share it directly on social media platforms. Upload it to video hosting platforms or keep it for personal viewing. Inspire others with your unique Palworld creation. Bonus tips: experiment with various effects and transitions to discover your unique style. Utilize Filmora 13's tutorials and resources to learn new editing techniques. Embrace creativity and have fun throughout the process. There you have it, Pal Tamers. With Filmora, you've crafted an intro video worthy of any alpha pal. Remember, the possibilities are boundless. Continue to explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and editing tips. We'll see you in the wilds. Create with confidence from the first frame to the last with Filmora 13.